Alright guys, I just completed this quest of Brown Bear's solo band. Let's see. He gives us good job. I need some royal jelly. Believe 14 my quest so far. One more, I'll give you field dice. Oh, 11 more, I'll give you some more hours since I gave you my last quest. So me give it more. Alright, one ticket. Blue Clove Spidey. 220,000 from the blue pollen. Collect 404,000 pollen from the clover field. Collect 9,000 from the spider field. Alright, I got you. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. This guy's a new. This guy's new. Bee Swarm. That's me before, guys. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at you. We are right. Let's make some honey. Ooh. Okay. Hold up. I'm back. For some reason, I'm muted by myself. So, Sprout has appeared. Oh, is that the sprout over there on top of the mountain field? There it is, my good sir. Oh, nope, that's Hydamondo chick. Okay, okay. Let's go to some fields. That's our next quest that we have to do for Black Bear. Alright, let's do this. Do it. Do this. Alright, wait! Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright guys, pretty much I'm just gonna sit here. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but sit here, wait, sit here and wait, hold, is this gonna work? Yep, okay. Hold up. Yeah, so guys, just sit here, relax with me. Oops, relax with me. Just collecting pollen. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so I'm tired of this, like, staying here. It's gonna be a long ride. Seriously, this. Okay, hold up. I need to get my healing. I need to get my honey dipper. Hold up. Wait, I didn't buy this? Bruh. What can I do? So this is for 3 stingers, 5,000 capacity, 1 plus colorless bee attack, okay. Okay. Wait, what do you mean I can't afford it? Bomber guard. Let's try. No, let's try that. So we got this brave guard. I don't know what it does, but meh. Meh. Wait. Oh, I thought I didn't have one. Let's go. Got my honey dipper. Let's make this fast. Let's go. Honey dipper time. It's gotta be fast now. Extra fast. Let's just complete solo on the stump and oh no. Let's complete spot. Okay, let's complete. Okay, if we can complete Mother Bear's midterm this video, and obviously we're gonna complete solo on the stump. We're just gonna complete solo on the stump, and maybe just complete some of Mother Bear's midterm. So let's do it. Wait, is there anything in here? Anything in here? No, nothing there. Yo, this snail is so strong. 29 million. Like, bruh. 20. No. Alright, let's see how much we are going. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good so far. Hold up. Whee! What? This is 20 tickets. Oh my god. How many tickets do I have? Oh, I'm gonna only have 1 ticket. Should I do it though? Oh my god. I really want to do it, but I only have 1 ticket left. I'm gonna get it. Ah, the pain though. Oh, that hurts. That flipping hurts. Here we go, whatever. Let's go. We're gonna be here for a while. Alright, this. Let's go. Let's go. Let me plant this in the field. Let's go. Strong. We're doing good. We have extra help by the sprinkler. Wait, this is. What does the sprinkler do? Hold up. I'm gonna check what it does. What does it do? Hang on, guys. I'm gonna check what it does. Alright, let's go. What does it do? When planted in the ground, causes nearby flowers to regrow faster. Oh, count 1. Already has 7. Is it the same? 2 sprinklers which fire faster. Okay. 3 gorgeous sprinklers with enormous range. 4 enchanted sprinklers made of durable artificial diamond. The ultimate sprinkler. Nobody knows how it works or where it came from. I think the bears made it. Well, yeah. Guys, if you do want to start jelly up here, you could just, it's easy. Like before, if you have to come in here, you can do like just like this, it's in trouble. But now, I can just do race. Hold up. Like, it was stressful for me before, now it's easy. Look. Hold up. Hang on, this is still a problem. There. See? Star jelly. Alright, let's go. Alright. Sleep. Let's go. Okay, okay. No, Valerie. Okay, phew. No! No! I got a second moon charm. I don't know what the moon charm does. What if, let's get back into the solo stuff. Let's continue this. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's, just watch me do this. I'm just gonna do, like, the thing again, so. Yeah, okay, so. 3, 2, 1. Just watch me, okay? Just watch me in pain while I do this. I'm back, and we're close to defeating this, sprout right here. Let's just continue. Close, come on, come on, we're so close. Let's see what this is probably gonna be, like a normal royal jelly, tickets, treats, honey, something like that. But let's just imagine that it will not give us that. Just try to imagine that it will not, and it will give us something else. Let's just try to imagine that. Alright, we're actually pretty close right now. 16,000, 15,000. Whew, it's going fast all the way down, right, dude? All the way down. Hold up. Hang on. And boom! Ooh, gives us blueberries. Nice. I need blueberries. Royal jelly. One royal jellies. Let's go. Alright, something's new. Update that this sprout gives us blueberries, pineapples, and other treats, I guess. Get it! Oh my god. Oh! Wait, what? No damage! Wait. Oh, that takes so much. I thought that was my stuffed snail right there. Alright. Oh my god, I'm very close. So long, dude. So long. Okay, we don't have time for Mother Bear's midterm. We'll do that in the next video. Alright, solo on the stop. This is probably like a 20 long video or something. I don't know what the heck am I talking about. Alright. So 672, you know.
6 months, oo. Ano na daw, 6 months lang kasi parang gawa
Okay.
niya lang na parang 3 months something na stay.
Oh gosh. Wait, does he have a mythic beat? I'm gonna ask him.
Yung ano niya,
Ask him.
apply niya.
Hey. I'm gonna say hey. Hey.
Oo. Aba,
Hey.
yeah. Tapos sir, meron ba yung example na hindi magamit? May parang may portion siya na
Hey.
sa amin or Aba.
I'm just gonna say that.
Okay.
Can you summon mythic?
Okay, meron kami
Mythic.
Okay.
Shower.
MSP.
Can you summon mythic shower? Hey.
Okay. Sige sir.
Can you
Okay.
summon mythic shower?
So example kung 100,000 ano yun sir? The same pa rin yung ginagawa namin monthly or one time payment.
Oh, never mind. Oh. Oh my god, this is so annoying. It's just like full of stress because a million from the stump field is like so long, dude.
So di kung gawin lang din namin sa 1 year.
Holy. Bruh. Bruh. BRUH right now.
1 year na lang kami, tapos good for amount is 100,000,
Bruh.
tapos ma-monthly na lang kami.
Bruh. It's like so long. We didn't get to 800, then 900, then we can reach a million, bro.
Hindi mo namin
I have an idea. Now let's go faster. Just keep spamming. I'm just spamming one. I'm just spamming one right now to make it more faster. I'm just spamming it. Jeez, my God. I'm spamming this, bro. Let's go refill some honey so we cannot be full later on. We want what eyes red and bees are quick to attack, blah 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 blah. So discover 10 times bees, defeat 4 scorpions, defeat 6 random beetles, collect 6 tons of prawns from the cactus field. Collect 6 tons of prawns from the rose field. Alright, that's all. Just make some honey first.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna need, like, seriously, we're actually gonna need eggs. I need eggs now.
2 months. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
now, Brave Bee. Rascal Bee, what else? But I think that's enough for now. 3 million. Great.
Okay. Okay. Okay na.
Nice. We got some more honey.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Kasi
oh my gosh, this is so annoying. It's probably gonna be like the longest laps I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Just enjoy me. Just enjoy me, like, just keep on continuing doing this. Just enjoy me, guys. Bruh. Bruh. I've been waiting for so long. And it's still not completed. Well, it's almost completed. But it's not completed, bro. Look! 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 Bruh! Look at this! Look at... Oh my god. Yeah. It's gonna keep on standing like this. Always. It's always. And always. If I was ever to be the snub snail, it would be like this. Dun 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 dun. Like my bees would be around this. Like I would be like my bees would be around this. Dun 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 dun. We're very close, dude. Please, hold on the stops. 27 minutes long, bro. Seriously, 27 minutes long, dude. That's why it's always 27 minutes long. Alright, let's try it again. It's only 27 minutes, bro. Oh, you're not, yeah, got it in time. Oh, give me that treat. I'm gonna need that treat because whatever is midterm. Come on. Oh, let's. Oh wait, remember the spamming? Let's do the spam again. Boom. Let's do it. Let's do this. Till we get to 60, I'll stop spamming. Let's do this. Or 70. I'm gonna pick 70. Bro, I'm covering this place with entire gumdrops, bro. I'm covering this with entire gumdrops. This is the gumdrops field. Gumdrop field. This is the gumdrop field. Gumdrop field. Wait, what's this? Auto. Okay. Oh, no. Seriously?
Jack.
Papa ikaw.
Oh my gosh.
Good boy, ikaw na ka.
Come on, bruh. Please, we are so close. Like seriously, close. We're close. Bro, please. The moon sprout appeared. I don't care about the moon sprout. Please. Please. Please, we are close. We are close. Please. Please, let's win. Spam. Bro, come on. 96, 97, 98. Hold on, 98, 98, 99.
You know how to bike?
Yeah! Yes! Woo! Let's go! Oh my god, that took just forever. It's 30 minutes now, bro. Seriously? Bruh. Why doesn't just the snail just go away? Because it's probably looking for those gumdrops scattered around. Bruh, I literally spammed gumdrops everywhere in that field, bro. So we're getting 10 tickets. 50 more on the Starjoys. Oh my god, they give it trash stuff. Only one royal jelly? Trash, dude. Trash. Anyways, guys, that will be the end for this video. If you did enjoy, I know this is a long video. But guys, before this video ends, I need to feed my biz. Wait. Let's feed you. Yeah, it's never gonna level up. Alright, anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, have fun.